What's up, guys? Back with another video here. I'm at a truck meet with my brother in Santa Clara, and it's pretty freaking sick. Look, we got trucks, we got Dodges, we got crazy trucks over there. Dude, this is crazy. How Junior comes. How does my brother come to see a bunch of Chevys and Fords and right next to an In-N-Out? Come on now. This is bad.
Very nice.
We gotta go down that way. I want to show them the white crazy one. They got a Ram Rebel right there, that black one. Another Dodge. Oh, you gotta do this. That light bar.
Yeah.
A little light bar right there. Oh, he popped his hood. He popped his hood.
This is Cummins.
Cummins too.
Sick.
Pretty clean. Oh, that turbo. That turbo though. We got Duramax. Who's over there? Probably. That's the Duramax that I want. That one. That gray GMC. There's a bunch of people at this meet. There's that. I want to see a truck. You don't even see a truck with skull on it. Where's this crazy? Look at this one. I gotta show him this one. You guys, we got Rally Spec Chevy rock lights, which my brother has, and he has a single cab, and it's freaking Rally Spec. It's off-road Rally Spec. We got a 4Runner, another one. I think that's an older version. We got Fords. I'm not really a big fan of Cummins. We got no rolling coal squatting. This. I'm YouTubing. I'm YouTubing.
YouTube. You didn't get my truck?
Got my brother's friend's truck. Chevy. Duramax. And he got that thing. And we got another Chevy Dodge. I already showed him this one. Ooh, same rims. Same rims as your truck, Julio. Really cool. I want to turn on my flashlight. Can't do it because of the light. Shout out at Blue something, I don't know. Same rims as my other Duramax. Thing's clean. Barely see any of these. It's clean. It's only been 2 minutes in the video. I want to show them that white one over there. Yeah, another Dodge Cummins.
Defender,
yeah, we cut it now.
I had a hard time turning.
Oh, perfectly rims.
And if I get bigger tires, I'm gonna have to go get a
Lift it. It's already cut anyways. Hurry, because I want to show them the
same
other
style.
one. They're exact same. Same color. Where's Junior? Because he was over here.
Not here yet.
Hurry, Julio. I want to go down there.
We'll go.
No, because I want to
his
go by
truck.
myself. There's another Ford down there. You can't see it as good, but it's lifted like 5 inches. That thing.
That military truck's crazy.
That's it.
That. Have you seen that before?
That's worth some money.
First time I've seen that.
Yeah. That's worth a lot of money.
Screw you. No one likes your minivan. Another truck's over there.
Yeah, I don't even know
A
what
big
kind
ol'
of truck it is. I was trying to look, see
Military truck
what
over
kind
there.
it was. And
Cummins. We'll go down here. We got Chevy. Gotta get the shout out. Ooh. The exhaust though. And then if you guys have Instagram, LBZ Duramax 18Z or Y. Crazy cool trucks right here. Ooh, crazy. This thing. I like that white one though, that Timu looking build. Oh, I already flexed this, guys. It's a diesel, I think. Here's a hitch, okay. And then I want to pass by my truck. My stepdad. I'm gonna make a second video.
hey, they have that big one over there.